Let me show you this free health secret they don't want you to know about. Cancer cells and foreign toxins from processed foods build up in your body and cause many diseases. To get rid of these bad cells, all you have to do is a 7-day water fast once a year. Your body first targets cancer cells, scar tissue, toxins, and excess stored fat. This means by doing this, you are detoxifying and cleansing the body internally, which in turn can reduce chronic pain, reduce body fat, and help heal the body of disease. Additionally, after 48 hours of fasting, your body starts to do several beneficial things like produce GABA, which repairs your gut, release growth hormone, and also reset dopamine receptors, all of which will improve your overall physical and mental health. If water fasting is too difficult for you, try fasts where you are only consuming fruits and herbs like sea moss. Sea moss will supply the body with 92 of the 102 vital minerals that the body needs to function at its full potential. In the link in our bio, we sell 100% organic wild-crafted sea moss and an ebook that teaches you many different herbal remedies. Follow Divine Herbal Roots for more daily tips about real health.